The future of business is powered by artificial intelligence. The question is, are you ready to lead it? Poor data quality, algorithmic bias, and shifting regulations can quickly turn innovation into massive corporate risk. Master the frameworks to scale AI responsibly. Welcome to the Data Strategy, Governance and Ethics for AI Professionals Certificate Programme at the London School of Business, UK. This elite, non-technical executive course equips you to treat data as a strategic asset, clear up governance roles, and mitigate reputational risks from day one. Study your way. Choose from flexible self-paced online, live online, or immersive on-campus sessions here in London. Protect your organisation, propel your career. Visit lsbuk.com and unlock your leadership potential today.